Hey my creators, welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, we are going to be making some Philly cheeseburger sliders. So to start, we're going to need some ground beef or ground turkey, whatever you choose, some chopped up green peppers and onions, some garlic, some Himalayan salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic and herbs, and parsley. Then for my cheese, I have provolone cheese. You can use cheddar, Munster, any type of cheese you want. And then I have some Hawaiian King rolls or King Hawaiian rolls. And then I'm making some good sauce. That consists of ketchup, mayonnaise, sweet relish, some sugar, and some vinegar. Okay, my creators, let's get it. Guys, so let's get started. I'm going to be wearing gloves today because I don't really feel like getting nasty all in my fingernails and whatnot, but whatever. So starting off with some parsley. How you guys doing today? Y'all, guess what? Over these last couple of days, we've received 100 subscribers, y'all. You guys are too lit. Please continue to share, like, comment, and subscribe to my videos. You guys, I'm so excited that you guys are liking my videos, leaving me positive comments, and supporting my channel, y'all. We're gonna get big, I promise. I just know it. I love cooking. I know it's gonna prosper. I have that feeling in my gut. Y'all stay tuned and rock with your girl. Okay, so any seasonings of your choice. I'm using garlic and herb, some paprika, some ground black pepper. And this is a quick middle of the week meal, you guys. I swear this takes less time than it would to pick up the phone and order some stuff. So I have some garlic, however much garlic you want to use. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna mix all that meat, all the seasonings, make sure we get everything, y'all. Make sure we get it all good in there. You guys, I was so stoked when I seen that we hit 100 subscribers. And like I said, I really celebrate the small victories. So I'm going to be baking the cake soon for that milestone. I really appreciate you guys. Okay. All right. So I'm thinking, after looking at it, I'm going to put just a little bit more salt in there. And just a little bit more pepper. But you don't have to. It's cool either way. Okay. I'm going to grab me a new pair of gloves. And you guys, I know for sure that I can like edit my videos down to almost being like 3 minutes. But I like talking to y'all. I like spending time with you guys. So, if you like it, I love it. If you don't, that's okay too. Alright. So, what you want to do is put all of your meat in the pan. And you want to make it as flat as you can. Okay? Make your meat as flat as you can. You don't need any type of oil or nothing. You don't need anything at the bottom, I promise, because of the fact that the beef has enough fat to where it's going to be all good by itself. So I'm going to flatten this out. Like I said, make it flat, y'all. Flat as possible. I have my oven set at 350. Okay. So my oven is set at 350. And then I'm going to place it in my oven for about 20 minutes. Or if you like your burgers a little pink inside, however long you want to, just as long as at a safe eating temperature. So I'm going to put this in, you guys, and then we're going to make that good sauce. Before we get to that sauce, we're going to saute our pepper and onion mix, y'all. Okay? And to do so, you just want just a little bit of butter. Just put a little bit of butter in there. Okay? And saute this at your discretion. If you want it to be crunchy, then only saute it for a few minutes. If you want it to be a little bit on the mushy side, then saute it for more, so 10 minutes. I like mine's kind of crispy, so. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and make this sauce. I have my little special guest in the building, Daniel Jr. He wants to help me, guys, because he's not going to allow me not to let him help. So I got my special guest in the kitchen, and he's going to be helping me out. Huh? Can you say hi, Daniel?
Hi, Daniel.
No, say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
There you go.
Hi.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So to start, we're going to do a quarter cup of the ketchup. And y'all, I'm just eyeballing this, really. Watch your hands, okay?
Okay.
So we're going to do 2 quarter cups. Will be cool. Okay? Yep, it'll be cool, baby. All right. And then we're going to do two spoonfuls.
2 spoons? I got it.
You got it? Okay. 2 spoonfuls. Oops. He done missed the whole bowl. 2 spoonfuls. Yeah, let me get this, baby. 2 spoonfuls of the mayo. Okay? Yep. Of the mayo. Yeah, of the mayo. Okay? And then Daniel is going to put in 2 spoonfuls. Yeah, spoonfuls. Oops, of sugar. There was nothing on there. Yeah. Okay. Can you mix that up for me, baby? Can you mix this up? Start mixing it. Thank you. All right, so while Dan is doing that, I'm just going to put the rest of this relish in there because it ain't nothing else in there. Really. And then we're going to put in a cap full of the white vinegar. Can you put it in that? Can you put it in there? Boom. Good job. Thank you. All right. So we're going to stir this up real nice.
I got it.
You got it? Okay, baby. So we're just going to stir this up, you guys, and that is going to be the yum yum sauce. Can you say yum yum sauce, Daniel?
Yummy sauce, yummy sauce.
Yummy sauce, yummy sauce. All right, you guys, stay tuned so we can put it all together. Okay, y'all. Okay. So let's get to this butter sauce.
Butter sauce.
Butter sauce.
Butter sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, y'all.
Oh yeah, y'all. What are you doing?
We're getting some butter. You guys, Daniel's 2 years old. If anyone wants to know, he's 2 years old and he is an independent. Yes, you are too. He's such an independent soul, you guys. Okay, so we're gonna leave that like that, son. And then what we gotta do is pour some parsley in it. Pour some parsley in it. Put some parsley on it.
Whoa! It's coming!
Yep.
It's coming.
So we're just gonna want to melt this, you guys, and this is just to go on top of your hamburgers. And I'm gonna do just a little bit of the garlic and herb. Melt this, and then you're gonna see that we're gonna put it on the top, you guys. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Guys, so we just took this out of the oven, and this how it looks. This is how it looks. Okay, so a nice square hamburger patty. That's exactly what we were looking for. And it's like, y'all, if this is like equivalent to the size of it, I'm going to be so sized, like really. Okay, so you're going to want to cut the Hawaiian bread right in the middle, you guys. Voila. Cut the Hawaiian bread right in the middle. Okay, then we're just going to go ahead, pick up our meat, put it on there. Y'all, it is like almost exact, if not Exact. That's lit. All right. Then we're going to go ahead and put our pepper mix all over. Now I'm just going to put pepper mix on this side because Mr. Daniel Jr. does not like all the onions and stuff. He like them, he just don't know he likes them. If you guys know what I mean. Okay. Then we're going to put our provolone cheese or whatever choice of cheese that you want on here. Okay. So make sure y'all put a good amount of cheese on there. I'm gonna leave. Okay. So I put 6 slices on there. Then we're going to put our top back on there. Then to that, our butter mix. Just gonna put that butter and parsley right on the top, y'all. Okay. Make sure y'all get the butter on every roll. Okay. Make sure y'all put the butter on every roll, as well as the parsley. Okay. So we're gonna put this in the oven for another 10 minutes, you guys, and then we're gonna come back and see how this masterpiece, easy Philly cheesesteak sliders come all together, y'all. Stay tuned, guys. Here is the finished product. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. So let's cut this together. Cut this together, and we are going to take a bite of this. It's gonna be my first time to be taking a bite on my channel, but I just feel like it's very necessary to show y'all what it be looking like and what I really feel like. Even though I know my cook be on point every time, y'all, but you know what I'm saying. So let's look at that cheese pull right there. Ooh wee, y'all. Look at that. Let me get in this camera. Ooh wee. Philly cheesesteak sliders. Y'all, that's good. Yep. With that yum yum sauce, it's lit. Y'all, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more tasty, quick, easy meals. Until next time, my creators, continue to believe in yourself and know that you can do it and you are worth it.